Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. North Indian style gravies and sabzis are so good. I have made several of them in our channel. I'll give you a couple of links in the description. Do check them out. Today I'm going to share a wonderful North Indian style onion sabzi, and this we're going to make it in dhaba style. So let's get started and check it out. I'm going to make the puree of 2 large tomatoes. I've just taken about 7 garlic cloves along with the tomatoes. Just grind it to a nice fine puree. Transfer the tomato puree to a bowl and keep this aside. Take a nice wide kadai. To this I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of oil. First I'm just going to lightly roast all the onions. I've taken about 22 onions. You can see these are small size onions, and I've just made cuts on the top like that. So this will help the onions to cook through. I'm just roasting the onions till they are partially cooked. So you can see the onions have roasted to a nice golden color. At this point you can remove the onions and keep them aside. To the same kadai, add another tablespoon of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, just about half teaspoon of kalonji seeds. Now these will give a nice flavor. Just add about half teaspoon of hing. Next I'm adding 2 medium sized onions that are finely chopped. We're going to saute the onions till they turn to a nice golden color. Add a piece of ginger finely chopped. Add 2 green chilies finely chopped and continue to saute the onions. So you can see the onions have turned to a nice golden color. Now I'm going to add the spice powder, starting with half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons red chili powder. I've taken the Kashmiri red chili, 2 teaspoons coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Keep the flame on low while adding the spice powders. Just mix that all in. Just adding a little bit of water so the masalas don't burn. So let this just cook the onions along with the spice powders. So once the oil has separated, add the tomato puree along with the garlic. So we need to cook this mixture till it becomes nice and thick and the oil starts to separate. So you can see all that excess moisture is evaporated. The oil is beginning to separate. So at this point I'm going to add, next I'm adding about half cup of whisked curd. Add the curd and mix it into the masala. Just add a little bit of water. Continue to cook the mixture till the oil separates. Keeping the flame on medium, close the kadai and let this cook for another 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes you can see the oil has separated. Now I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and add some crushed kasuri methi leaves. Mix it well. So you can check for seasoning at this point and add a little bit of salt if needed. So you can see the masala is coming together beautifully. Now I'm going to add the roasted onions. So mix all the onions along with the masala. So like I said, these onions are partially cooked. Now we need to cook them completely. So add about 1 cup of water. Keep the flame on medium low. Mix everything well. So we need to allow the onions to cook. So I've cooked the gravy for about 20 minutes on low flame. So you can see all the oil has separated beautifully. The onions are nice and tender. Just give it a quick mix. Turn off the stove and you can enjoy this delicious dhaba style onion sabji with some nice chapati or roti by the side. Make sure you use really small sized onions for this recipe. Only then you will be able to achieve the desired taste. So you can also use shallots for the same recipe if you like. So there you go, you can see how simple and tasty and easy this onion sabzi is. You can enjoy it with some nice roti, fulkas or chapatis. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.